Hi, my name is Adrian Zapata and I'm gonna talk about my major. I'm studying software engineering. Even though I'm in first semester, I had the opportunity to learn fundamental concepts and participate in a project where we work like we were a development team. Most people think it's just about programming, but the reality is that a software engineer is involved throughout the entire development process, from planning. I'll talk about the most widely used methodology in the development industry today called Scrum, which showcases progress through iterations are known as sprints. It all starts with sprint planning. Here the team gathers to define the objectives and tasks well addressed during a specific period, usually 2 to 4 weeks. The daily stand-up is crucial. Every day the team briefly meets to share progress, challenges and coordinate efforts. After completing the sprint, we conduct a review to assess the work done. Here we can see how our ideas take shape and evolve. And finally, the retrospective. Here the team reflects on what we work well and how we can improve. It's an opportunity for continuous growth and constant improvement. I hope you have learned a little bit about my major. Bye!